Now that you have learned the alphabets in German, one should always also know how to spell the names. For example, we may not understand the names of Germans. Likewise, the Germans may not understand our names. In such cases, we need to spell the names for our understanding purposes. That is called as wie schreibt man das? How do you write it? So we say ich buchstabiere. I spell it out. So let us look at few examples in German and how the words are pronounced in alphabetical way. Normalga మన Germans కానీ foreigners కానీ చెప్పే పేర్లు తొందరగా అర్థం కావు. ఇలాంటి కేసెస్లో మన పేర్లు కూడా వాళ్ళకి అర్థం కాకపోవచ్చు. సో ఇలాంటప్పుడు మనము కొన్ని స్పెల్లింగ్స్ మన ఆ వర్డ్ ఏదైతే ఇస్తారో దాన్ని స్పెల్ చేస్తే దాని అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అనేది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో దీన్ని జర్మన్లో buchstabieren అని అంటాం. సో దాన్ని ఎలా ప్రొనౌన్స్ చేస్తాము. సో లెట్ us look at some examples and then follow our sequence of calling out the spellings. In this case, you need to spell out the word individually, every letter individually for the person to understand. Yeah, so wie schreibt man das? For example, India in German is called as Indian. Ante normal ga who are you ante I am an Indian అని అంటాం. I am a citizen of India. అది చెప్పడానికి Indian అంటాం. But the country India is called as Indian in German. So, wie schreibt man Indian? How does one spell the word Indian? A N D A E N. Will you try it by yourself now? Yeah, good. So, if it's Deutschland, Germany in German is called as Deutschland. How does one spell the word Deutschland? D A U T S C H L A N D. So that becomes Deutschland. Now you give a try of the following names: Modi, Hyderabad, Germany, New Delhi. These are just few words I have given for a try. You can still practice the spellings with your family members and friends' names, or maybe your favorite stars or celebrities. Good luck! Now you have seen the special characters in the German alphabets. These characters do not exist on our keyboards, but still you can type them by following these key combinations. So what is the keyboard guide given for these special characters? Etc. To type etc, we need to press the combinations of Alt plus 0, 2, 2, 3. Once again, to get etc in your text, we need to press Alt plus 0, 2, 2, 3. To get the U, the small u, we need to press the combinations of Alt plus 0, 2, 5, 2. I repeat, for small u, Alt plus 0, 2, 5, 2. Capital U, Alt plus 0, 2, 2, 0. Again, capital U, Alt plus 0, 2, 2, 0. The small o, umlaut, U, Alt plus 0, 2, 4, 6. Small u, Alt plus 0, 2, 4, 6. Capital U, Alt plus 0, 2, 1, 4. Again, capital U, Alt plus 0, 2, 1, 4. Small a, Alt plus 0, 0228. Again, small a, Alt plus 0228. Capital A, Alt plus 0196. I repeat, Alt plus 0196. So using these key combinations, one can type the German words with these special characters.